How to use Fantom Metamask easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Fantom Metamask, how you can add Fantom network to your Metamask wallet to use it and to use a fast, high throughput open source smart contract platform for digital assets and D apps. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your MetaMask wallet because this is where we will be working, and I'll show you how to add Phantom network to your MetaMask to use it on any of the other platforms. If you want to connect different assets, NFTs, you can convert your simple MetaMask into a hub with different networks. Once you get to the metamask.io, you have an account on it, open it up, and you can see the default network that we have on MetaMask is Ethereum network. But do you know that we can add more networks, and that's what we will do today. I have already added some of the networks such as Avalanche, Arbitrum, Smart Chain, Polygon. The videos are already on the channel on how to add Arbitrum and other networks to your wallet. Today we will be adding Phantom. In order to add a new network to your MetaMask wallet, click on the mainnet right here on Ethereum, and then you have to click on Add Network. It will open up the network settings for you, and this is where we will enter the details to add Phantom to our MetaMask. If you do not have a MetaMask wallet and you are a complete beginner, then you can get MetaMask by just going to metamask.io. Once you go to metamask.io, you will get here, and what you can do is you can download it for Chrome. Click right here and it will take you to chrome.google.com/extensions, and you can add it as an extension to your Chrome, and then you can create an account by just setting up a password. Once you set up a password, you can open up your MetaMask and it will take you to the main, right here to Ethereum network. So we are here now, as I showed you before. Click on Add Network, and here we will enter our details. First of all, the network name that we are adding today. We will be adding Phantom. All right, new RPC URL. In order to get this link, what I want you guys to do is simply go to Google and just type MetaMask Phantom or Phantom MetaMask. Click on the first link and it will take you to this website here, which is academy.binance.com. Or you can also go to any other website where you can find this information. Just search for Fantom Metamask and you will get this information. I would suggest going to academy.binance.com. Here you have to scroll down where you will find this information, and here we have our RPC URL. We have two of them. I'm going to select this one. Just copy this link and paste it to your RPC URL here on your MetaMask. Now it's added. The chain ID for Phantom is 250. Then we have the currency symbol, so we're going to go with FTM. And then we have Block Explorer URL. It's optional. If you want to leave it, you can. You can still add a new network, but if you want to add this URL, again, it will be here. You can see Block Explorer URL. This is the link. We're going to copy this one and paste it here. All right, so this is the information that you need to add in order to use Fantom MetaMask. Feel free to pause the video and add all the information such as network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and Block Explorer URL. Again, the network name is going to be Phantom, chain ID is 250, currency symbol is FTM. The RPC URL and the Block Explorer URL can be found on academy.binance.com. If you cannot access it, you can simply go to Google and search for MetaMask Phantom and click on the first link or any of the website to get these details. Once the details are added, click on Save, and this network will be saved on your MetaMask, and now we have our own Fantom MetaMask wallet. You can see Phantom was successfully added, and I can switch between the networks now very easily. I can switch from Phantom to Ethereum, so we have a Phantom now. I will be able to find the assets right here. You can see 0 Phantom. The activities will be shown here. In order to add tokens or import tokens on Phantom, click on this option here. And then you have to enter the token contract address. Token symbol is going to be FTM, and the token decimal, it depends on your contract. Or you can go with maybe 6 token symbol, can USDC. It can also be that. Okay, let's go with this information maybe. And maybe 6. Okay, so you just enter the details here according to your contract. Click on add custom token, and you will be able to add tokens on Fantom on your MetaMask wallet. To switch between the networks, you just click on the other network and it's switched. I'm gonna go to Fantom. All right. Another way to get to the add a network option is, we went through this, right? The quick way. But you can also go to your profile here, click here, go to settings, and then go to networks. Here you will be able to add a new network, and you can also see that we have our Fantom. You can check the logo, Fantom, and all the information. So these are the different networks that I have, and we also have a Fantom now. Since we are in settings, let me show you around that in general we have currency conversion, primary currency for, you can see right now it's FTM. In advanced, you will be able to find your reset account option, advanced gas controls, show hex data, show conversion on test networks, show test networks, customize transaction nonce. Then we have auto lock timer, sync data, IPFS gateways, and other options. So you can find them here in advanced. You can also add a contact to your MetaMask so that you can swap Fantom and you can send Fantom really easily and deposit Fantom with 2 other wallets. We have security and privacy alerts, and again, networks here. You will get the information to add a new network. Click on this option. Let's get back to our home, which is here we have Fantom. To buy Fantom, click on buy. And we can buy Fantom 2 ways using MetaMask. We have Transact, buy FTM with Transact. So if you have a Transact account that actually supports credit and debit card, Apple Pay, and other options, so you can use this, or you can directly deposit FTM from your other wallet. And if you already have FTM, so you can click on view account and deposit FTM from other accounts to your MetaMask. So these are the 2 ways you can buy FTM using MetaMask. Then we have send. Sending is really easy. As we send, just enter the public address, click on send, and you will be able to send Fantom now. You can also swap, but on this network, the swapping is not available on MetaMask yet. But you can avail the buy and send option with Fantom. If you want to delete a network on MetaMask, let's say you want to delete Fantom, what you will do is you will switch to another network, for example, Ethereum first, and then you can just click on this cross and you can delete the network that you added. But we don't want to do that. We want to use our Fantom wallet. So this is how you use Fantom MetaMask. It's actually really easy to use, and you will be able to store your digital assets on Fantom. You can now buy NFTs or any other. You can connect your MetaMask to any platform out there that supports Fantom and that works on Fantom. So this is really good. You don't need to create a new wallet or go to other platforms. You can convert your simple MetaMask wallet to a Fantom wallet in seconds. Again, if you want the RPC URL link and the Explorer, go to academy.binance.com and you will get the information here. Enter the information and you will have your own Fantom MetaMask wallet. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.